Hi students, how are you? Today we are going to learn a new question that is based on compound interest. And the question is like this. The simple interest on the sum of money in 2 years is Rs 90 less than its compound interest at a rate of 15% interest per annum. The question is just saying for a certain sum of money in 2 years at rate of 15%. The simple interest is less than compound interest by Rs 90. So we have to find the sum of money for whose the simple interest and compound interest to be obtained. And the next we have to find the simple interest for the sum of money in 2 years at a rate of 15%. And finally we have to find the compound interest for the same sum of money in 2 years at a rate of 15% per annum. So let's begin our solution. So we suppose the sum of money be P for the time t equal to 2 year at rate of annual interest rate that is equal to 15% per annum. And similarly the simple interest is less than the compound interest for the same sum is that is interest minus interest that is equal to Rs 90. So for question A we have to find the sum of money. So to find sum of money equal to what? Principal value. The sum of money is what we have to find. So from the given condition Ci minus Si that is equal to Rs 90 and the formula of compound interest is P bracket 1 plus R upon 100 to the power T minus 1 minus the simple interest is PTR upon 100 that is equal to Rs 90. Now we put the value of all the things. 1. The rate R is 15%. 15 upon 100 for the time T that is the 2 year minus 1 minus P the time is 2 and the rate is 15 upon 100 that is equal to Rs 90. Now the next 15 upon 100 it becomes the 0.15 minus 1 2 times 15 it becomes the 30p upon 100 that is equal to Rs 90. Here 1 plus 0.15 it becomes the 1.15 square minus 1 minus 30 upon 100 it becomes 0.3p that is equal to Rs 90. The square of 1.15 it is the 1.3225 minus 1 minus 0.3p is equal to RS 90, and the here 1.3225 minus 1, it becomes the p times 0.3225 minus 0.3p, that is the RS 90. So we have 0.3225 times p minus 0.3p, that is RS 90. Now we subtract these two, both are the like terms, so here is the 0.0225 times p, that is equal to RS 90, and we divide on both sides by the 0.0225, 0.0225, so here comes to be p, that is equal to RS 4000. So the sum of money for whose the compound interest and the simple interest difference is 90 is RS 4000. On a B section, we have to find the simple interest, so that is quite easy. Solution. On a B section, we have to find the simple interest for sum of money. SI equal to what? For that, SI equal to simple formula PTR upon 100, and it comes to be principal is RS 4000 times 2 time T is the 2 year, and the rate is 15% upon 100. 20 and the 20 is cancelled, so here remains the RS 40 into 2 times 50, it becomes the 30, and the finally simple interest is 4 times 3, it becomes the 2. Simple interest for the sum of money for the 2 year at 15%, it becomes the 1200. Now on the C section, we have to find interest for sum of be the CI, and the formula is CI, that is equal to P times 1 plus R upon 100 to the power T minus 1, so it comes as a P 1 plus 15 upon 100 to the power 2 minus 1, that is equal to P times 1 plus 0.15 square minus 1, and here is the sum is 1.15 square minus 1, and the square of 1.15 we have already found here, that is 1.3225, so that is 1.3225 minus 1, it comes to as P into 0.3225. so finally the principal is 4000, principal sum of money is 4000 times 0.3225, and it comes as a RS 1290. So finally the compound interest for 4000 at a rate of 15% for the 2 year, it becomes the RS 1290. This is the answer. Thanks for watching the video. If you like, hit the like button and subscribe the channel. Thank you.